Okay guys, welcome to sub tutorial. Here we are again with other tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you how to design this simple flyer. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, this was the other work, so I'm going to take this one aside. Yeah, so the next thing I want to do is to take my rectangle box and draw a rectangle. Okay, after you draw this rectangle, you just skip it, and now go to your circle and draw a circle. Yeah, this is for the image, so just take it up a little and shift this to this angle. Okay, so you may want to zoom it so that you can see this volume. Just zoom it. So now go to your freehand tools, use the freehand tools, you can press F5 and it will come. So now just click and drop gradually, just going around the circle. Okay, and remember to close this. Make sure you close it. Anytime you do this, don't forget to close it. So now drop this thing and take your shape tools, then now just click and draw something like this. After drawing it, you see to align all these balls, then press delete. Okay, the same thing here too, and delete. Okay, so you have given all this shape. So now is to dress it, arrange it to fit with the circle. So to take this up a little bit, okay, I'm going to bring this to the circle. Okay, just make sure everything is aligned. So now is to arrange this one. Once you click on it, then it will show this arrow. You can use this arrow to arrange it. So once you click on it, show you this arrow, you can use it to arrange it the shape you want. So the same thing over here. Okay, yeah, we have gotten the shape. So go ahead and drop this to sound, then go back to page. You can see we have gotten the shape. So the next thing I want to do now is this one over here, this downwards. So now just zoom it in. Okay, so just go back to page and click on the circle, then drag it. Just left click to place a copy of this. Okay, so after right click, just arrange it to the middle. Okay, and now zoom it in. After zoom it in, then go back and take your freehand tools, and then let's draw the shape. Don't forget, anytime you draw the shape with the freehand tools, make sure you close it. If not, whatsoever you're doing, you can't color it. So remember to always close it. Okay, so now take your shape tool and draw this. Delete. Now you can arrange this, edit it the way you want. So we have gotten this. So the next one I want to do is to go back to the freehand tool and trace the circle gradually. Just follow the circle gradually. Okay, yeah, this will be okay. Then take it back. Okay, so you can see. So now go back to the shape tools and click this, drag it to the end. This one, don't cover the mat, because cover the mat, if you delete it now, if you delete, you can see. So don't let it touch the mat, just Ctrl Z in case of any error. Let's take this like this to the last point here, and then delete. You can see I've gotten the shape. You can still edit this if you want to. You can take it up a little bit. Any shape you want, you can edit this. So let's go back to page. Okay, so this one look more bigger. We are going to shift this. in case any error, just go to Z and everything will be set back to normal. So this is it. And now what we have to do is to color this one. So go back to the top and zoom it in. Okay, then hold alternate on your keyboard and drag this thing, drag it back and left click. Okay, then double click on it. Okay. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. So we have gotten the shape wanted. So we go ahead and go to page. Okay, drop your free and choose, and now you can see we have gotten the shape. So what is left is the color. So now I'm going to color this. So this one will make it more darker. So in case this is the color code, if you need the color code of the, use the color code there, F58634. That is the color code, and the second one color code is F7965851. I mean, okay. Yeah. So you move the outline. This one also. Just give it the outline by left clicking on this and the color. Okay. So now what we do next is to color this one here and the circle. Make the circle bold, no outline, and this one make it lighter and no outline. So now we are going to send this one behind. Just control page down. Okay, and this also good. Got the outline too. So next thing we're going to do is to insert the image. So this is the image I'll be using for this. Going to power clip, just right click on the image and power clip inside this cycle, and I remove the outline of the cycle by cancelling it here. Okay, left clicking on this icon. Okay, then now you can see. So we are going to send this image now. I'm going to power clip it into this box. So this is how we do that. Then hold your shift key and click on this too, and also this, then power clip. Okay, you can see this is showing here, so we have to send it down. Press Ctrl page down. Okay, so this is it. And now we have seen we are almost through. So what we have to do now is to edit the text. So we are going to work on this now. So just go to your rectangle and draw a little box like this, and your shape tools, just take this back a little bit. Okay, and now take this to here. Please always remember to zoom in so you see the work clearly. Okay, so okay, can see it well language. So go back to page. Okay, and let's make the outline bold. I'm using S8, so this is where the outline will be. Let's go ahead and make it. In case you do not see yours here, just press F12 on your keyboard and it will bring the outline. In case you do not see it here, F12 on your keyboard and it will bring out the outline. Okay, so I'm going to increase the outline to 20 and change it to white. Okay, and take up this logo, increase the font size, take it into here, and then give it white, outline white to increase a little bit. Okay, you can also make it bold here, you can see. but in case you don't like this, just go ahead and remove it, and this is okay too for this one. So now let's work on the creativity, this one, and then business and agency. Okay, in case you type and your word are not capital letter, you can always come here to edit it on text, then change case this place. Okay, you can also change it here, lowercase, sentence, any of them, but in my case I'm using uppercase for this. So okay, and now take this, increase, remember to bring a line out of the side so it won't cross the line. Okay, reduce this a little bit. Yeah, this okay, and color white, and business also. Increase this, okay, and white also. Okay, agency, increase the font. And make it white also. Okay, so we are done with the first side. So let's go to the main text. We are going to use about us and bring it to this level. Change the font size to 32. Enter. This to be just 32. Okay, make it bold. Okay, then to cut this so you can color a different color, Ctrl K to cut it, then give this one orange. Yeah, so this is it. And now best service, and also create a line this side too, so print past. Okay, increase this to 32. Okay, and bring a line to this place. Okay, then make it bold too. Now Ctrl K to cut and color this, change the color. Yeah, so this is it. So the next thing you want to do, and put an edge here, so don't pass. Okay, then take the business, increase it to 32 also. 32, enter, bold, increase this to 32, enter, okay, and bold also. Okay, change the color. So we are almost done. So now this is the text I'm going to be using. So I'll take this text over to this place and make it smaller. Don't worry about it like this, to also show us move it. Okay, so now this one too. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, so you can see. Then now zoom in this side. Let's work on this part. So this is it. You take this down and left click to drop a copy, left click again to place a copy. So you can see how it works. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, so now go back to page. Also still retrieve this one away from me. Okay, now go back to page. Okay, and now pick up this contact, place it here and make it 32 also. To enter. Okay, no, this is supposed to be 26. Okay, take it down a little bit. Okay, then color it white, the keyboard, and take this also, put here and make it white also. Yeah, zoom in. Okay, so you can see this text is still black. Just drag it like this and color, give it white. So you can see we are all done. So this is how to create this flyer. Very simple. Go ahead and delete all this. Okay, you can see. You can move the outline. This also remove the outline by editing power click. Okay, let's cancel the outline. Now we are done with anything we edit here, then just go ahead and finish editing. So you can see. Yeah. So let me delete this one and show you the copy of this, the full screen of this. Now just to view this work, press F9 on your keyboard. So this is what we just work on. So you can see, very easy. So go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more, comment, ask questions, and you'll be answered as quick as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more of this. So thank you for watching.